So it's been over a week since I called Nissan Canada about my battery having lost 4 capacity bars. I figured it would be time for a little bit of a follow-up, and I took my wife's advice. Instead of calling them, I sent them an email. I did a little bit of research on the warranty. The warranty states that the battery is covered for manufacturer defects up to 8 years or a maximum of 160,000 kilometers here in Canada. When I called the dealership when I first bought the car, because I wanted to know how gently to care for the battery, I guess, because if I wasn't gonna get it replaced, I'd be extra careful with it. And when I called them, they told me that it wouldn't apply in my case. And you know what? I accepted it. So I was very gentle with my battery. I didn't use any level 3 chargers, but that was not hard because we don't have any where I live. Fast forward to June when I lost my 4th bar, and I posted a video online on YouTube on this channel. Please subscribe, bottom corner. Little plug there. One of you told me that I should keep trying because lots of people get new batteries under warranty. So I did some digging, and the most relevant exception to this 8-year, 160,000 kilometer warranty is that it does not cover gradual capacity loss, I think is the exact wording. It's either that or gradual degradation, but I think it's capacity loss. However, when you do a little bit of online research, there's some wording that they use. They use the word threshold in the States, and the threshold is 4 bars before this warranty. In the States, it's 8 years and 100,000 miles, which is roughly the same. And my car only has 134,000 kilometers, which is way less than 100,000 miles. So I'd still fall in there. And by the way, that threshold applies for hot climates because Nissan recognizes that the battery degrades faster in hot climates. So if the threshold is that high in hot climates, I wrote this to them, it would stand to reason that in Canada, in cooler climates, my battery should have lasted way longer and outperformed that threshold. But it didn't, so here we are. So I made an official claim. I don't know how official it is, but I did it in writing this time to Nissan Canada. And I did not tell them I'm documenting this on YouTube. I did not want to A, threaten them, and B, or I guess that's 1 and 2, I did not want that threat to sway their decision because not everybody has a YouTube channel, and I want to help Nissan Leaf owners as much as possible, and I want to give them the real world scenario. So a Canadian typically would not make threats to a corporation, even though, you know, the customer's always right, and we should feel free to make, you know, not bad threats, but legitimate threats, like going to the media. I'm not saying that Canadians don't do that, but typically we're always saying sorry, and we're super friendly and nice, and maybe I'm wrong, maybe that's just a caricature of Canadians. Anyways, that's a tangent and a rabbit hole I don't want to go down on because I need to stay focused on the topic at hand. And this is what they wrote back. So for English, please scroll down. Hello, Nissan Canada Inc. wishes to acknowledge receipt of your recent correspondence. Thank you for taking the time to contact us. Case number blah 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 has been created to document your contact to us. A customer service care specialist will be in touch with you within 5 business days. If you have any additional comments or concerns, please feel free to contact us directly at 1-800-387-0122. Sincerely, Customer Care Team, Nissan Canada Inc. So let's see where that gives us, or where that gives us. Let's see where that takes us. I gotta go. I'm coming down with a cold and it might be strep throat. So I'm thankful that I can't actually physically be in contact with you because you do not want to get what I have. If this video or series or playlist is helpful to you, please subscribe, like, and share, because EVs are the future and they are a huge help in sustaining our planet and making it more environmentally friendly. No, that's not the right word. I'm just gonna stop talking now. See you in the next one.